This popsicle tastes like poopy.
Awesome, look at that brick. I can use it for my collection. Let me see if it bounces. Awesome. A brick. Hey, that's my brick.
I found it first. Finders, keepers, losers, weepers.
Well, give me my brick.
Oh,
This is WWE Raw.
it's mine.
No, I saw it first. I got this.
No,
Yeah.
no.
What are you doing? Lightening things up.
Okay.
I got it. I finally got it.
That's mine.
Oh, here then.
Thank you.
Oh. Let me see if it bounces.